Hey everybody, it's me, Owen Fox here. I want to make a little video while I'm just sneaking in a little bit of a chance for me to do so in my very limited free time, because I'm super busy being a daddy and being a full-time parent, and also trying to sneak in work at any chance, kind of. But I want to take a look back, feel back, and reminisce on the last year and a half, even 2024. It's been the most transformative and reconstructive time, like my friend Camilla says, year of my life. So much has changed. I've grown, healed, developed, let go, matured, strengthened, balanced out, evened out, become more grounded, become more secure, self-secure, focused, determined in my masculine energy. I already had the feminine energy already done up good, strong with that, but now my masculine energy is up there too. And I've learned to have very strong standards and boundaries, self-love, how I'm treated, how I treat others has improved too, and how I'm treated is very much so improved. Boundaries and values and standards are essential. It all started a year and a half ago almost. I did 2 ayahuasca double weekends last year, and they were both one was the most memorable night of my life, the most heartwarming, touching scene with my mum, who's passed on. She visited and got me up to dance and helped shake off fears and embarrassment and shyness from me related to dancing. And the second, that was just absolutely gorgeous. I can't express how blissful and joyful and love-filled that was. I was able to talk to her a little bit, and vice versa. It was just pure magic. So I loved it so much, and I shared that weekend with my sister. And then 2 months later, in August and then October, I did it with my friend in a proper place, and in a healing center, and that just blew me out of the water. And the second night I released and let go of a lot of stuff that came out of that, beginning of a new man. But I can't owe it all that ayahuasca, definitely not in the slightest bit, but other factors in my life were shifting and changing, and bringing up mourning my mum because she passed on. So I had a lot of grief and a lot of old suppressed, repressed emotions come out of me this year, 2024. So I let go of a real heavy bag of sadness and anxiety and feeling alone and lonely and insecure and vulnerable. A lot of vulnerable, sad, anxious feelings were felt this year. I cried in public, cried in Aldi, in the shops, on the streets, strolling my toddler. I teared up here, there and everywhere, depending on the day, depending on what was going on in my life too, that was triggering or just helping it to move along too. So like the cat was let out of the bag emotionally wise, and then I just that fraction or part of me that my healer friend at the healing retreat center said was sort of fragmented or missing, or kind of missing / not really fully there, not fully together, was together after I did the ayahuasca. It was coming back, or it came back again, or what was cracked was not cracked anymore, so to speak. I don't know how to phrase it exactly. But then obviously that was like almost a year and a third back away. So but then this year it was like I said, everything has changed this year for me. Everything. My relationship has changed so much. Loads of things ended and changed and aren't in my life anymore. Loads. Chocolate's gone. Cooked food is 99% gone. Watching chess is more or less gone. Playing chess is more or less gone. It's wandering time. Watching athletics, what small amount it did, is more or less diminished dramatically. Watching spiritual videos has really gone down a lot too. But I did go through a big strong pump phase of around 6 months of hardcore digging into relationships and studying a lot. That was a big one. Yeah, so I've done a lot of unsubscribing and muting and turning off notifications. I've blocked multiple people. Friendships have changed. I did become very close to a friend who's similarly, she's gone through, my full-time healer friend. She's amazing. Camilla Hara, life coach, soul coach, she calls herself, on Instagram and Facebook, and she's brilliant. She's a lovely soul. Yeah, she's also gone through the most reconstructive year of her life, so congratulations to her. You know, so I hope she doesn't mind me saying that. It's just pure good news, but it's very tough when you get like ripped apart, knocked to your feet, shattered, and you're trying to reconstruct yourself. It's hard, especially when outside circumstances are not playing in your easy favor. They're playing for your soul favor, your emotional well-being and maturity, healed favor, but it's not the fun, easy favor. Yeah, it's not easy. So yeah, that's all I want to say. I want to keep this video short, compressed, because time is of the essence. That's why I don't make 1 minute shorts anymore. I'm just so busy. I'm backing log because of this video, but I wanted to make it. Just going really slow here on country roads in Ireland. So everything is changing. Everything is changing. Business, money, career, work, living situation, relationship, so much, everything. Don't really watch any don't watch any raw food stuff anymore. Fasting, juice feasting, raw food transformations, nothing. Like herbs, I kind of knew it all 99% anyway, or thereabouts, pretty much, because I've done it for 18 years practicing and studying. So I've just ditched that. I've just streamlined. Now I'm focusing, very focused and determined to my masculine energy. No BS, no nonsense allowed or accepted in my life, otherwise I'm gone out of there, or that person's gone. And no bad vibes overall from anything else. I love the good vibes of like good, healthy, emotionally available, emotionally mature people, and I love the amazing vibes also of the beach. The beach become my favorite place to be, and nature, the natural roads. I don't even like the big roads too much anymore. I don't mind if it's in the daytime, but not nighttime, shiny, glaring stuff. I don't like smoky stuff, never really did. But yeah, I'm tuned in and more sensitive and more aware. And I also don't, apart from toxic, abusive, or emotionally or physically neglectful or abandoning relationships or friendships, I also don't tolerate and accept unequal relationships where I'm chasing someone and they're not giving back to me what I'm giving or sharing or reaching out to them. So definitely tons has changed. So much, massive life transformation. Anyway, I'm feeling my best ever. That's how I am. I'm the best ever I've ever been in my life, easily by far. Guess what? I've even also gained a lot of physical strength, fully enough, which is like funny. It just happens to be here at the same time, eh? Stronger, more firmer toned, stronger, firm muscles. Yeah, my six-pack is coming back like I used to as a teenager, when I was as fit as a fiddle and as strong as an ox, with level 10 energy out of 10 and 5% body fat. And I feel like I could literally run all day long. And yeah, I'm getting fitter, stronger, everything. It's really good and just delightful. So I'm really happy with it. So life's still definitely very busy, pretty hectic. Still various challenges coming up, and you know, just the more I grow, the harder my lessons become, you know. So, but I also feel there will be a certain change where, at the same time, things do become a lot easier because you rule out and cut out a lot of the BS. I also forgot to say, I already did say I blocked some people, didn't I? Yeah. Sorry about that. I remember now. So yeah. Anyways, I better go. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please hit the like button to share your appreciation, please. It helps my algorithm. Appreciate that. And if you feel like it, you're welcome to leave a comment, friend me on any other social media. I'd always love to help people. I did have a community which I'm temporarily pausing, where I did also have like 2 free books and 10 free video courses, and all past live workshops free with Q&A as well, all free. And the only upgraded membership was to have like a live weekly call with me and Q&A once per week for an hour. So I'm streamlining a little bit when I'm getting into some other things, which I'll tell you about in other videos. So yeah, I hope you're very well. Wish you all the very best. If you do need any help, of course, with relationships and happiness, and well-being, emotionally, physically, mentally, spiritually, especially relationally and emotionally, I'd love to help if you want. Yeah, I'm not chasing or looking after anybody, but if you want to, I know I can help you, most likely, and you can always reach out if you wish. And yeah, just check it out, my links below. Thanks for watching, and I wish you a beautiful day.